Hey guys, today's blog is about the power of negotiation in a real estate transaction. How do you get the best deal? Keep watching, you'll learn a few tips that I think will really kind of help you out. Today is all about the power of the negotiating in a real estate transaction. Essentially, how do you get the best deal, whether you're a buyer or seller? We talk about this a lot, but it's maximizing value. And literally, it's negotiating with the other party. You'll find that sometimes it's not all about the money, but timing and ease of transaction, making it seamless. And a lot of times you'll see that there's things that you can negotiate that aren't necessarily monetary that will be, agreeable to both parties. Two, finding common ground. Typically, like we just mentioned, price, inspections, closing date. And three, reducing risk. That's something that you can negotiate. A lot of times this will be done during the home inspection, what items people will do, what they will not do. If the buyer's handy and the seller's not, like these could be easy fixes and they just, need a credit so they can buy materials and do the house. And you know what? They get the house for uh, potentially a lower price. Essentially what I always think of is that you want to build a relationship. You don't want it to be contentious. It can help build a relationship between both parties involved. I'll give you a quick example. Recently sold a house that had a dock, and the seller literally agreed to meet the buyer at his dock so he could show him the best route to get to his dock and how to park the boat. I thought that was kind of really cool. And it still works. They've gone out to dinner and they're, hopefully they continue to stay friends. And that's because, the negotiations, both parties felt like they were heard. So appreciate you guys watching. I am Peter Cunha from Open Doors Real Estate or Open Doors Realty here in Middletown, New Jersey, otherwise known as the New Jersey Real Estate Giant. Feel free to give me a call, 917-690-5390. Thanks so much.